I'm spending the night here with no sleeping bag, no tent. I've built a bushcraft shelter. I'm soon starting the fire. It is going to be a cold night, so hopefully the traditional Nordic log fire will keep me warm. Come along and see how it goes. Enjoy. I'm currently here in Lapland. I got a permit from one landowner to use his property for camping and bushcrafting. This here is a fence for reindeer. Nope. Oh yeah, this is it. I found my first tar stump. So this right here is a tar stump. When a pine tree dies upright, gravity will pull the tar from the tree to the stump, and the stump is full of tar. And you can identify it from the smell. Also, the stump is very sturdy, like you see this one here, because it does not decay as it's full of tar. Yeah, this will burn so nicely. I'm going to collect this. You can see that there used to be some kind of a cellar or something like a bunker here, because they dug out this section. There is old wall there. This definitely was a door. Yeah. But before I start building my shelter, there is an old shed right there. I want to check that out. You can see that there is an old stove. That's probably the chimney. And here's a bed frame. What an amazing place with so much history. This right here is where I'll camp and stay for the night. Today we'll try to find out whether there are any fish in this lake. Look at this bad boy. I got myself a new saw. This thing is an absolute beast. So I just need to hope that this holds my weight. But it's already past my lunchtime. I'm getting really hungry, so I need to make some food. And for that, I need to fetch some water. The water is crystal clear. I took my stick stove with me this time. Oh no. Am I missing one part here? Oh no. I'm missing one part from my stick stove. Oh no. That holds this corner together. Need to figure out something. I mean, I think that will do. The smell of tar is so good. For lunch I'm having something really easy, just store-bought kinkkukiusaus. It is ham and potatoes mixed with some cream. I don't need to cook it in any way, I just need to warm it up. Now would you look at that? Super quick and easy lunch. By the way, I got this pot from the Wild Adventures North survival course I attended. Thank you, Petteri. That's done. With the coffee I'm having some salted licorice dates. These are really good and just packed with energy. If you're in Sweden or Finland, you should definitely try these. Need to finish my shelter before it starts raining. Back to work. The roof is way too high. Oh, okay, see you guys soon. So I just lowered these down a bit and restaked those corners. I'll start off with this jig head, brown colored jig. This end is too shallow. I got something. Oh, nice. That's a good sized perch. Caught it with this colored Kuusamon uistin jig head. There are so many dead trees that I get this stuck every now and then. Usually this works, but it's now stuck really badly. Lost one jig head there. I tied down another one. Oh God, I got that stuck as well on first row with this one. Yes, yes, I didn't lose it. Yeah, I lost the jig head. Oh no. I got something. Oh no, 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 no. Ah. Yes, I got another perch. Now I need to go back to camp. It's starting to rain. While I'm waiting for the rain to stop, I can test how good my silky big boy truly is. Okay, that was just ridiculously easy. This will save me a lot of trouble, especially during the winter when I'm making these kind of long-lasting log fires. I got a new filleting knife from Kivalo Design. Comes with this kind of a really nice holster and it's really lightweight. Let's try if it's sharp. I mean, that's really sharp. Now that there is boneless perch fillet. I need to throw these away from the camp because there might be bears on this area. Don't want them waking me up during the night. Just a shout out to Kivalo Design that they made a really nice fillet. The locals here told me that if there are reindeers around here, there are no signs of bears because reindeers go far away from bears. But now that there are no reindeer here, I need to make some noise because I don't want any bears to surprise me. So many lost lures. I now started doing this, is this called like palomar or something like that, palomar knot. I walked all the way to the other end of the lake, fishing from the coast. My camp is all the way on the other side, but I didn't catch anything. That right there is some kind of deer poop. And there are reindeer prints. I want to practice making that long-lasting log fire. There are very good logs here for that. Yeah, this right here is perfect. Just for fun, I want to take time how long it takes me to cut through this thing. It took only a minute. Oh wow. That's crazy. Oh look, there is a really big rainbow. Wow, look right there. I need one live tree to support those logs so that it does not catch fire that easily. The wind direction is of course from the lake, so I need to build some sort of a wall here. And for all of you who are saying that I destroy too many live trees on my other videos. Look, this is where they end up. This is literally where they end up. I'm not sure how it goes abroad, but in general, taking care of forests means that you cut down all the small ones and leave the big ones to grow. So here you see all the small ones. When I chop down 10, 20, even 100 small trees, never done that though, but if I did, still somebody is going to pay a machine to come clear up their forests like this. So just to point that out. Got the wall set up there that will reflect some of the heat back to my sleeping area, and most importantly, it's now over my laying height, so that if the wind starts blowing from that direction, the smoke will go above where I'm laying. It's currently 7:30. The sun is going down approximately at 9, so if I still want to catch some more dinner, I need to go fishing. Oh, that is a huge perch! This must be the biggest perch I've ever caught. Oh, this thing is huge. Easily half a kilo. Oh wow. I caught it with this Kuusamon uistin. I need to go back and see if he got any friends, because I'm having a feast if I catch more like this. Oh, this is even bigger. This is huge. Oh my god, look at that. Yeah, I think that's enough. I mean, my lure box has this scale, so I can measure the approximate length. It is very hard to see that though. Oh, it only goes to 18 centimeters. I can only tell like approximate. That would be 18. Approximately 35 centimeters, the bigger one. But it is just an approximate. The scale on this one is not that good. Hopefully that doesn't start melting, by the way. I mean, it shouldn't, but it could. I'll just have that there. When you catch a big perch like this, it's very easy to turn it into boneless perch fillet. And now I'll show you how you do it. First, rip open the stomach of the perch. Turn around the knife towards the head of the perch and go under the skin and all the way to the backbone. You turn the knife around and push it against the backbone. And that's how you get the fillet piece out. Don't know how that happened, but I made a little cut to my thumb here. Not a bad cut. I just now need to sanitize it. It's bleeding quite a lot. A very small little cut right there. Okay, let's continue. Repeat the process on this side. Now you need to remove the ribs. Glide the head of the knife under the ribs. I usually tend to just rip off the rest there. So I start off the tail and I'm gently pressing the knife against the skin. And I'm pulling from the tail. And towards the head there still goes one line of bones in the middle. So you want to cut from the back side and from the stomach side. And now what you're left with is this kind of like pant-like structure of completely boneless perch meat. So I think I could just boil it. Yeah. I wasn't sure if I would catch any fish, so I took a pack of sausages with me. Oh yeah. And this is very good. Boiled perch. That's done. It's really good perch, but not enough for me. I think my sausage is ready. Oh, actually I can show you what the temperature is currently. I bought this kind of a device. It's called rawest. And what this does is that I can connect it to my phone and see the temperature. Currently it's 12.5 Celsius degrees. When I wake up in the morning, I can connect my phone to this and see how cold it was during the night. Oh wow, that looks so cool. I hope I got it working. Okay, it's currently burning so well that I will now remove these. I have the two big piece on the center. That one, oh, that was holding the weight. Hopefully it worked. I got a blanket. This is a warm wool blanket after all, because it's going to be cold. Some extra clothes in here as well, but I'm going to use it as a pillow as long as I can. I also have a foam sleeping mat. I'm not going to use that unless I really have to. This is cozy. It doesn't look like it's working. But yeah, there's not much more I can do than to just go to sleep and hope that that stays on. But yeah, see you guys in the morning. Or hopefully in the morning, not during the night. Good night. It is currently 2 in the morning. My log fire failed, so I'm really cold. I think I need to get up and collect firewood and make just a regular fire. Everything here is just soaking wet. Got it going once again. I think I need to go get some sleep. It's currently around 3 a.m. Okay, I'll try to get some sleep. So see you soon. Well, good morning. I had to stoke the fire a few times during the night, but otherwise I stayed really warm after I built this regular fire. But my tarp suffered a bit. I will check that out. I think that's not fixable with Fat Patch anymore. I can now look at the data of the temperature, and during the night it went to 7 Celsius degrees. When I got the fire on, it jumped to 22 degrees. My sensor was right there, so it was 22 Celsius degrees on my bed. Okay, let's do a bit of damage assessment. I got a hole in my booty, I burned the cover of my stick stove. Well, then of course the top is gone. This is what happens when you play around fire. I'll put in the buckwheat porridge. Then I'm adding some dried fruits. I put in there this kind of banana and strawberry baby food smoothie. Breakfast is served. This baby food is too liquidy. Otherwise it's really good. Oh, I'm getting so much smoke to my eyes here. Oh. That's done. I still want to tell you about these barefoot rubber boots that I'm wearing. It's called Uoma 2 from Vaistoa. It's waterproof barefoot shoes that truly feel amazing, and even after yesterday my feet are completely dry. I've used this shoe since last winter, and now they came up with this new green color that I really like. So yeah, if you want to get yourself this kind of waterproof barefoot shoes, go to kipukauppa.com and use the code AU with a fin -15 to get a 15% discount. I mean, it still fit. Now if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and remember to subscribe so you won't miss my upcoming videos. But otherwise, thank you for watching and see you on our next adventure.